Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Write For Me custom GPT inside the ChatGPT that you can use to write tailored, engaging content with a focus on quality, relevance and precise word counts. Right, so as you can see in the ChatGPT GPT shop, GPT store, this is the most popular writing GPT in the GPT store. Right, so before I would show an actual example on how to use the Write For Me custom GPT, I just want to let you know that I have a full database of more than 10,000 custom GPTs that you can search by official GPT description, custom GPT name, and is also categorized into more than 20 categories. So you can search for SEO and marketing GPTs, business GPTs, jobs and career GPTs, tech and programming GPTs, and more. So this is an absolutely free GPT database, so you can get access by using the link in the description below. And you can also check out the links as well, because there are some other free and paid resources that you can use to help with your AI and marketing efforts. Right, but now let's see how to use the Write For Me GPT. So if you want to use any GPTs, currently you have to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription. If you have one, all you have to do is click on Explore GPTs on the left here. Then, as this is the top writing GPT, you can find it in the home page. If you cannot find it, you can always search for public GPTs here, add Write For Me here, and this will be the first solution here. As you can see, it has been used more than 700,000 times. So if you click on it, now we're going to be able to use the GPT. We get some example prompts here, so you don't have to use any fancy language to be able to use this GPT. So I added the very simple prompt: write me a detailed guide with 1500 words on how to make money with affiliate marketing. So one of the specialties of this Write For Me GPT is that you can add word count, and it will try to write an article or a product description with that specific word count. So let's see what the GPT will come up with. So if you click on send message, so as you can see, first it will not start writing the article, but it will create an outline for the article you want to write. We get an introduction, a getting started, strategies, maximize earnings, and you can also see the subheadings it will use in the content it will write in that specific section with the exact word count. And then as you can see, it has started to write introduction to affiliate marketing. And we can check out here that we'll have 200 words, and we can check if it's really 200 words. With my Chrome extension I should be able to do it. So it's 163 words, so it is quite close, and ChatGPT is not really good following word count prompts, but in this case it was quite good. And then as you can see, you just have to add continue here, and it will continue writing this 1500 word affiliate marketing guide on how to make money with affiliate marketing. So now this is how you can use the Write For Me custom GPT. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to the custom GPT database and other free ChatGPT and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you want to learn more about ChatGPT, custom GPTs, ChatGPT plugins and other AI software, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials, and also make sure to subscribe because we have more tutorials coming up.